Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for USPS jobs online step by step. So this is really helpful if you're looking for a stable job and you want to apply directly through the official USPS website without going through the third-party sites. So to get started, open the USPS careers page and go to how to apply section. At the top, you'll see a quick overview of the process. It begins with submitting your application, then screening, then confirming employment, and finally getting your start date. So this gives you a clear idea of what to expect after you apply. Next, scroll down and find the section that talks about two application systems. So this part is very important. USPS uses two different systems depending on the job, and some roles are handled through the newer USPS Careers website, while others are processed through the old eCareer system. So before applying, make sure you know which system your job belongs to. If your job is listed under the new system, click Apply USPS Careers. So this is where you usually find positions like mail handler assistant, city carrier assistant, or sales and distribution roles. If your job is not listed there, then you'll need to click Apply on eCareer instead and continue from that system. And before you start filling out the application, take a moment to review the employment requirements, and you must be at least 18 years old or 16 if you have a high school diploma. You also need to pass a background check, drug screening, and medical assessment. You must be a US citizen or a permanent resident, and for some roles, you may also need a clean driving record. And once you're ready, begin your application. You'll need to create an account if this is your first time. After that, carefully fill in your personal details, work history, and any required information. And take your time here and make sure everything is accurate because this can affect your chances of moving forward. And as you go through the application, you may also be asked to complete additional steps depending on the position, like questionnaires or assessments. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete everything as required. And another helpful tip here is that you don't need to rush. The system allows you to save your progress so that you can come back and finish later if needed. So this is useful if you want to double check your answers before submitting. Also, remember that applying for USPS jobs is completely free. If you come across any websites asking you to pay, that is not part of the official USPS process. After you submit your application, the next page is screening. If you pass that, you'll move on to confirming your employment, where you'll review details like your start date and finalizing everything. Then you'll receive updates by email about the next step. And that is it. That's how you apply for USPS job online in a clear and simple way. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.